One of the things you can do in Yamdu is assign locations to various sets mentioned in the script. Let's first enter one of the projects that we're currently working on and select locations and sets in the navigation. In here, we have an overview of all the sets defined in the script. Some have already been assigned a location, while others are empty and in need of a location. So we can do two things regarding sets. We can create one by entering information in the pop-up, like adding a description, moods and images, and click Create. The other option is to import sets from the screenplay, where we can either select a file from our device or from the Files and Documents section in Yamdu. But because we've already imported a screenplay, we don't have to do that here. Now that we have a set, let's choose a filming location for it. In Yamdu, we'll be able to suggest multiple locations using the database or create new ones. This will let us and other users rate the locations, maybe in terms of suitability for filming. We can also reject suggestions, remove them, or fix it as the final location. Now we have a set with an assigned location, and we'll be able to add day out of days, write comments, tag users, assign tasks, and so on. If we head over to the filming location section, back in the locations and sets, we already have some in here, but we can also create new ones. As an example, let's create a new location for Zagreb bus station and enter the street. Add any files, or add any context for the location, tags, or notes. But before hitting Create, the Create as a Draft gives us the option of making this item only visible for our department. Next, we can also import filming locations from the company database. So let's search for a hotel and add that to this project. And these are the filming locations linked to this particular project. But we can also access the company location database to see all the stored locations from various projects in Yamdu. And again, we can easily create a filming location here or import a CSV file. That was an in-depth look at locations and sets in Yamdu. Stay tuned for more tutorials.